Hey there, and welcome back to our channel Techies Guru. Today we are going to show you how to create a Bonvoy account, your gateway to amazing travel experiences and exclusive benefits. It's a quick and easy process, and we will guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Bonvoy website. That is www.marriott.com. Press enter. You can do this on your computer or mobile device. Once you are on the Bonvoy homepage, look for the Join Now or Sign Up button and click on it. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Join. Now you will need to fill in your personal information. This includes your name, email address, and password. Make sure your password is secure. Here, write your first name and last name. Choose a country or region, your email. Create a strong password. Providing your contact details like your phone number and address. This information is used to contact you and send you rewards. It's essential to read and accept all the terms and conditions of the Bonway programs. You can usually find a checkbox or button for this at the bottom of the form. Once you have filled in all the necessary information and accepted the terms, click on the Join button. And there you have it. You have successfully created your Bonvoy account. You are now ready to explore the world of travel, earn points, and enjoy exclusive benefits. Keep in mind that your Bonvoy account is your ticket to a world of exciting opportunities, from hotel stays to travel rewards. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.